The most problem of today's world is pregnancy, fertility is getting priority late in life. The main problem is education, career, settling down is a struggle. So I don't blame anyone who is planning pregnancy, but they keep it for a time when they are slightly more settled. So what we are landing up with, the age of first pregnancy is slowly becoming higher and higher. People are conceiving after 30, sometimes in late 30s, and recently there is even a trend of considering pregnancy in very early 40s. Now what happens is, due to delay of conceiving, risk of fertility increases with maternal age, infertility treatment comes in, so there are multiple twin or triplet pregnancy happening with the help of fertility treatment, which is a common side effect. So now when we are discussing the problem of a working lady in pregnancy, we need to consider everything in mind. First is travel. A pregnant woman traveling in a city is always tedious. Some of them don't stay very near to the work, so they have to travel quite a far distance. So road condition, traveling using private as well as transport system is always difficult. Now, in first 12 weeks of pregnancy, we advise to take it easy. But for a woman who is working, it's not easy to get 3 months leave. They might manage a week or so. So hectic traveling, long working schedule makes their life more difficult in first 3 months when most of the morning sickness symptoms happens. Apart from morning sickness, feeding habit changes. So they need to eat regularly in a regular interval, which in an office situation is not always possible. And added to this, stress of work and journey sometimes can cause miscarriage. So in a working lady, first 3 months, if they can't manage a little bit of time and restful work, there is always a risk of miscarriage there. Now comes the second half of pregnancy, which we called mid-trimester. One has to see whether her food is okay, whether she is developing anemia, hypertension, blood sugar, and other problems, especially women who are carrying multiple pregnancy. They have a higher incidence of developing all these medical problems. So one has to get regular checkup done, do all antenatal screenings, and keep themselves under supervision of their obstetrician, so that if any problem is detected, that is dealt with early, and if required, then interrupting the work for a month or 2 may be necessary. Special warning goes for people with multiple pregnancy and people who are already suffering with a medical disorder like diabetes, thyroid, hypertension. Now comes risk of premature delivery and intrauterine growth retardation problems. What happens? In the last quarter of pregnancy, baby's growth in some pregnancies tends to follow. It has been now clearly shown that one single factor which can increase baby's growth is a rest on left lateral position. Now what happens if a mother is standing all the time or sitting or working? The blood flow is more going towards the leg, and there is this capacitant veins in the leg which causes swelling of leg and peripheral pooling of blood. Now if somebody is lying and resting between work, and they rest about 10 hours in a day and night included, then the blood supply to the uterus when are you lying in a lying position is much better. So babies tend to get more nutrition, more oxygen supply, hence the growth is much better. So for working women, getting rest or lying down in daytime is impossible. So they have a higher risk of growth retardation. Then comes the risk of preterm delivery. A lot of people tend to work up to the end, very close to the delivery date, because they want to save the leave for post-delivery phase. Sometimes it is not a good idea, because maternity leave should be planned in a way that in third half of the third trimester, maximum rest and monitoring can be provided. So if you are a working lady, get your health checkup, look for risk factors for miscarriage, growth retardation. If you are carrying a multiple pregnancy, please be very cautious. And if you follow this advice, I think for a working lady, it shouldn't be a problem to have a healthy pregnancy, healthy motherhood. Thank you very much.